In this video, we're going to talk about why vocabulary is the currency when you're talking about communication. When you have a larger vocabulary, you're able to express yourself more precisely or able to navigate difficult situations with ease. So for example, किसी को ना बोलना है, कोई situation में जवाब कैसे देना है पता नहीं. When you have a more defined and precise vocabulary to express this, you find yourself to be more confident. And these applications are everywhere. If you want to be a great communicator, it's very important you have a very good vocabulary. Secondly, it can also open up a lot of career options for you, whether it's radio jockeying, journaling, mass communication, writing, content and script writing, just everywhere a great vocabulary makes sense. Third, in social settings and in conversations, whether it's in presentations and business conversations, or in selling ideas, or inspiring your team, or having a heartfelt conversation with your child or as a parent, it's very important that you can choose the right words to convey your feelings. In fact, Jim Rohn says that your vocabulary is your ability to interpret your life, and a limited vocabulary will limit your own future, your vision of the world. So vocabulary is extremely important. In fact, many research show that the vocabulary is an indicator of a person's intelligence. So let's discuss 10 fun ways of actually developing our vocabulary. And this is applicable not just for children but even for adults, because having a good vocabulary is a never-ending process for a lifetime. So the first is to play games like Scrabble, Boggle, Bingo, a lot of app ideas like Wordscape, Words of Friends, and many such things which can constantly get you in touch with new words and make sure that they are at the top of your memory so that you can use them very often. Second is to use a word of the day challenge very consciously for yourself. There are apps also to do that, or you could just pick up a dictionary and look at words and try and using them in different ways. An important tip here is to, rather than remembering the meaning, write down sentences where that word can be used so that you have a context of where to use that word. Third, you can also start building stories with a new word that you see. So it could be storytelling prompts, writing a quick paragraph, or using it in the conversations that you have, in the social media captions that you create, all of these places. Fourth is to intentionally journal the new words that you read every day. And when you journal those words, they become very conscious and you can use it very often and also recap those words. Another important technique is to listen to a lot of audiobooks, podcasts and videos. When we listen to people using good vocabulary, by default we know how to use them in different styles and accents that we can use them, and the phrases that we can use it in context with. And this is a powerful way to develop your vocabulary. Another thing that I really love is to make dictionary your friend. Especially if you want to learn new words, pick up a dictionary and look for synonyms. And I'll give you a very simple example. It's called the word web method, that you look, instead of saying very nice, can I say it was splendid, remarkable, mesmerizing, beautiful, amazing, fantabulous. Now these are all words just to say very nice. But if you can use all these synonyms or all these different words instead of just saying very nice, your conversation will become much more powerful. And the last technique that you could use very effectively and simply is to do thematic research of topics. So for example, based on your child's journey or your own profession, if you have to talk about or write about or present about something related to a theme, it could be about sustainability, it could be about pollution. Now look at all the words that come up with such themes, document them so that every time you have to speak on sustainability or nature or mythology or character, depending on what your profession is or what your child's topic is, you have a lot of words related to that theme and topic which you could use to enhance your presentation, your pitch, your creative writing process and so. And this gives a higher probability of being able to use those words because you have seen the context, the theme in which you can use those words. So this is a very important thing. So let's remember that it's just one word that you're learning at a time, but these vocabulary words can impact your personal, professional, and your ability to perceive life. So let's take time to build our vocabulary. Thank you. If you like such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.